What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman here. I'm set up in my little studio before I move. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm working with Ride Arizona MTC, and what we do there is we teach motorcyclists, okay? They sponsor me to become an MSF rider coach. It allows me to give you better information. So I want you to watch this video that's coming up, and I want you to sign up. If you're here in Arizona, Phoenix, Casa Grande, Sierra Vista, Tucson, we have a bunch of classes going on. I can coach you. So ask for me, ask for Dan the Fireman, ask for Daniel, whatever it is, and you're going to have a great time, okay? So let's watch the video real quick. It's going to be a short video. Go check it out.